Hello everyone, welcome to Build e-commerce app in ASP.NET Core MVC6 course. In this lecture we will be building an e-commerce website from zero with ASP.NET Core. We will learn repository design pattern, ASP.NET Core, Web API 2. Later that we will work with client-side packages like Bower, Grunt, Gulp and NPM. After that, we will improve our application on client side with jQuery, Knockout.js and AngularJS 2. At last, we will establish a database connection with Entity Framework Core and we will learn add, remove, edit, sort, filter processes with Entity Framework Core. We will also be using a design which was built with Bootstrap 4. And we will see how we can work with this with SAS and less on MVC6. Also, we will learn how to use dependency injection on ASP.NET Core. We will be adding some ready-to-use JavaScript libraries like Bootbox.js and Notify.js. On server side coding, we will use Ajax and JSON. At the end of this lecture, we will have all the knowledge to develop wonderful web applications. On this lecture, we will learn how to develop an e-commerce project, but you will learn all the necessary skills and information to build your own projects. If you wish, you can build a blog, e-commerce or content management systems, CMS, or you can build corporate projects. This is up to you entirely. You will learn all you need on this course. After this course, you will be learned how to build modular applications with ASP.NET Core MVC6. And we will be giving you a real-life project as an e-commerce website with source codes. We will be updating and expanding this course according to your comments and wishes, and we will always be in touch with our students. As the requirements, you should be very familiar with C# language and have known to use CSS, HTML and JavaScript front-end technologies. And some simple knowledge of .NET Framework is enough. You may have noticed that all these subjects are the latest technologies on the market, especially ASP.NET Core and MVC6, Web API 2 and Bower, Grunt, Gulp and NPM, latest version of jQuery, latest version of Knockout.js and AngularJS 2, which is the latest version right now. We will also be using Entity Framework Core, also known as Entity Framework 7. Also Bootstrap 4 with SAS. We will define our dependency injections without a need for external linking. With these, also we will use Bootbox.js, Notify.js as with the latest versions. Don't forget to mention that we will use earlier technologies like Ajax and JSON. If you are ready, let's start our course.